Today is Valentine's Day, Bobbies. So first things first, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, what's the plan for today?
We will be buying some outfits for Ruchi's wedding.
Okay.
That is precisely 6 outfits for you.
Oh, so we're shopping for me today.
Yes, and I also got him a coffee, guys.
Let's go, Bobbies. We have
Yes.
to buy outfits for Ruchi's wedding. How many outfits are we buying today?
6.
All 6 today.
I think we'll try as much as possible, no? We'll try
Okay.
to cover everything.
Okay, I'll be happy if I could go home with 2 good outfits.
2, brother, we don't have the time for it. At least 3 minimum.
Okay, so that means today is going to be a hectic day for us.
Yeah, and we have to also pick up my outfit that we bought in the last vlog.
You gave it for alteration, right?
Yes.
Fine. So the plan of action is go shopping, go eating, and pick her clothes up from alteration.
Yes.
So the first outfit that we're purchasing is for Sangeet, and the theme for Sangeet is bling. We are at Taswa on MG Road. Let's go check out what they have to offer. Bro, Taswa ka changing room is insane. Look at that. But anyways, let's try this on. It's sequin-like work.
I don't like how bling it is.
Okay. And this is the second outfit. This is proper sequin work, but it's navy. Fits well. But what's your opinion, chef?
I actually like it.
So I checked with Ruchi, who's a bride, and she says this is a little basic. We want a little more happening. So we'll check out something with a coat. You like this, chef?
Yeah, I really like it.
Okay.
But it's...
But it's not giving Sangeet, to be honest with you. It's too thick.
It is giving Sangeet. It's velvet, it's in the night, and it's so shiny.
So as per you, this is Sangeet?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's just see more. We want something grand, so this is also quite nice. I think it's between this and this. This is slightly longer, you say. Chef, I like this slightly longer, honestly. I'll wear it and check.
Yeah, I like this more.
Huh,
Because it has black buttons, that has white buttons.
fair.
This is giving more Sangeet and
Okay.
matching my outfit.
Correct. Then I'll try this out. Okay, so this is the base layer. इसके ऊपर एक coat पहनेंगे, which will make it look bling. So far, how does it look, Bobbies? Okay, on this we'll wear. This is M, right? This is small. Okay. How's it looking, chef?
I think it looks good.
Looks good.
It looks too good.
But this is small. I mean, it's not fitting very well. I think I need another size up.
Yeah, the sleeves are also...
Sleeves are also tight.
Yeah, sleeves are also tight.
What do I say? I'm jacked. We'll try a size up.
But I like how it looks.
Hannah?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
We'll ask with Patel if this matches what she was looking for.
I think she'll say yes.
Guys, the reason I'm checking everything with Patel is because I'm the best man, you know. Bride's best man.
Maid of honor. It's too loose.
It's too loose, huh?
It's too loose. It's too
Yeah,
loose.
it's too loose.
It's too loose.
That was S, this is M. Okay, that's a big size up then. Alright, so Bobbies, I have finalized that blue outfit for Sangeet. What is that called? Is it called a kurta set? What is it called? Whatever it's called, it's wavy, it's flowy, it's me. I finalized that.
Wavy.
It is wavy, right? So I finalized that. We'll have to do some alteration because size small is too small, size M is too big. I need something in between. And now we're looking at wedding outfits.
All of this looks like something for a 40-year-old.
What's the theme for wedding?
Pastel, that's it.
Pastel. Kurta set, anything.
Yeah, kurta set, bangal, anything.
So we're looking at this for the wedding, Bobbies. This looks pastel and it'll match with what she's wearing as well.
Yeah.
She's also wearing a pinkish yellowish.
I'm wearing yellowish pinkish, yes.
I said pinkish yellowish, she said yellowish pinkish. She just has to disagree with me.
Combination you can make.
This is also quite nice, honestly.
But this is golden and this is silver. That's the only problem.
But this coat is nice.
Yeah, this is nice.
Inside, no, after the individual you can wear this also.
Let me just wear this and see
Yeah,
first.
sure.
So for the final wedding, for the muhurtam, this is what I've finalized.
We have finalized.
We have finalized. More like Shefali picked it out and I'm like, yeah, perfect.
Yeah, how can you forget me?
Sorry, yeah. She's my personal fashion assistant, also my personal driver. She does everything for me, right?
Chauffeur.
Chauffeur, she's my chauffeur. So this is what it's looking like. I like it a lot. On the side, from the back. I know that my Sangeet fit is a more grand fit, but for the muhurtam, I want to keep it, you know, down to earth. Down to earth. बहुत down to earth बंदा है guys.
Unlike you.
So yeah, how's it looking? Let me know.
Nice.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is final. Now let's try on something for haldi.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Haldi fit Bobbies, how's it looking? Yeah. Keeping it simple, keeping it plain. Honestly, if you look as good as me, you can wear anything and you look great, right? What's your opinion, chef?
I think it looks nice because even I'm going for something simple only.
What are you wearing for Haldi?
A yellow sharara.
Yellow sharara. Okay. Alright, overall, are you happy with the 3 fits that we've decided? Or more like the 3 fits that you've decided?
Yeah, I think I'm actually very happy.
Okay, I'm happy too. Now let's go bill it.
It was difficult, huh? It wasn't easy. We've been here for a while now.
But then again, I'm happy I didn't have to switch stores. Imagine if I had to run around.
I mean, now I'm thinking, should we have considered another store also to keep our options open? But then that's a big headache.
That's true. In fact, we didn't even explore all the floors in this building itself.
Yeah.
There are 4 floors. We finalized our shopping in 2 floors itself.
Yeah, but I think we got good options and Ruchi also approved.
Yeah, Ruchi approved all the fits, so that's what matters the most.
Yeah.
She wants me to look tip-top sharp, so I have to start a diet as well now. Yeah, I need to look good, bro. If I'm spending so much on the outfits, I want to be in my best shape.
There's only 2 weeks to go.
2 weeks is enough for big man to get into shape, right?
Sure.
Because the foundation is set. It's 5 years of effort. And we're now going to Miller's, 46 Miller's, to grab lunch. A very late lunch, to be honest. It's 5:15.
5:17.
5:17. Sorry, Valentine's Day lunch got delayed by a bit.
What Valentine's Day? We've only been doing work for morning.
But this was due for a long time, na?
Yeah, this is what happens when there's only 2 weeks left for the wedding.
Yeah, if not today, when would we do it? Love of my life, Miller's. I've come to celebrate Valentine's Day with Miller's itself, chef. That's the love of my life.
My leg is hurting.
Your leg is hurting.
Yeah.
She's making fun of me, guys. I was limping because my knee injury is kicking in.
My leg is actually hurting.
Oh, your leg is also
My
hurting.
left calf is hurting. I don't know why.
Bobbies, here we are at Miller's, and like I said, Miller's is my first love. They've given us a rose. And what does it say, chef?
It says Happy Valentine's Day, Miller's 46.
So cute, man. Love that. See, it's a great spot for a date as well. We shall eat and then we shall go pick up her dress which was given for alteration.
Yeah,
Right?
my Sangeet outfit.
Yeah, her Sangeet outfit. I mean, we were supposed to purchase something that matches with her outfit. We had decided black, but honestly, that navy Indo-Western outfit was so good looking that I said, Chef, I don't care if I don't match with you. I need that outfit. Hana? Mean, but I guess it is what it is. Bro, when you're spending upwards of 20,000 for one outfit, you want to make sure that you look good more than anybody else. First Diet Coke of the weekend, Bobbies. Actually, second. We had one yesterday also at Treat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we had one. Shefali ordered that Diet Coke, but she didn't even drink it.
I drank.
You drank like 2 sips, honestly. Here you go, madam. Here's your Diet Coke. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Cheers. Let's eat, bro. Harissa chicken. Harissa chicken thigh with skin on. High calorie but very tasty. Hana?
Who cares about calories?
Yeah, it's Valentine's Day, bro. If you're tracking calories on Valentine's Day, you're a loser. Or more like you're single. Because your girlfriend would not allow you to track calories on Valentine's Day.
What are we getting for dessert?
See? Bro, do you want to go eat that macaroon in UB? Oh, but it's too far away. We need to go to commercial first. We'll figure something out. Harissa chicken taste test, Bobbies. Let's see how it is today. Should I dip it in the sauce? Okay, let's dip it in the mushroom sauce.
Spicy.
A little spicy, but I love that spice. I know? It's top tier.
He was just saying, why do you keep ordering the same thing when you know your spice tolerance is so bad? But it's so tasty, bro.
It is tasty, but now she'll keep doing sur for the entire meal.
How can you get irritated by a cute girl doing...
Guys, keep doing that. Keep doing that for 10 seconds straight. See, they'll only exit the video.
Don't exit, huh?
She's not able to finish it, so the leftovers are mine. It's too spicy for her to finish.
You not only ate your chicken dish, but now you want mine also.
Yeah, why not? More protein for me. Done with Miller's, Bobbies. How was your meal?
Good, as always.
Good as always. Show them the flour. We flicked the flour, guys. I don't know if it was for us to take, but we took it.
I think it was for us to take.
Hannah?
Yeah.
It probably was.
Yeah.
Now we need to go to commercials, but before that, let's go across the street to Kanti and grab something.
Not interested at all.
Why?
Because I'm not a fan of it, bro, that much.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't like Indian sweets, so?
I love it, but not right now.
Then don't eat. You better not touch my chum chum. Don't you dare. If you touch my chum chum.
No.
See?
No.
See? अब आ गई ना लाइन पे. सिर्फ नाटक करना है इन लोगों को.
इन लोगों को.
लड़कियों को. Entered heaven now, Bobbies. Heaven.
Kaju Katli?
Kaju Katli you want? Are you sure?
Yeah, but you can't buy one piece.
I want chum chum only. Or do you want to try something else in Bengali collection?
That pink one I'd like.
Raskadam.
No, not Raskadam.
Then?
I don't know where it is. It's usually there in Anand. This one.
That's Raskadam only, man.
That only.
Bro, this girl, no, she can never agree with me. What a beauty night this is. One rasmalai, one chum chum, and Shefali it is. Let's eat. What do you want to eat first?
Rasmalai.
Rasmalai is going to be sweeter, so let's
Okay.
do chum chum first. Hello, pick it up and eat. Pick it up and eat. Bro, why don't you ever do what I ask you to do? You know I know better when it comes to food. Bobby's chum chum. Top tier. Now moving on to the rasmalai. You want to drink the malai first?
Yeah.
Sir, you can leave some for me. Sir, you can leave some. Hey! What did she say before crossing this road? What did she say?
I said no to chum chum.
Bro, this girl, no. She finds loopholes in her own statements and uses it against me.
Loser.
You would be a great lawyer. Because all you know to do is argue. Let's finish it, bruv. So good. One more? Yo, what is this car, chef?
Oh, it's a Mercedes.
Oh my god.
300D.
Looks insane. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Indranagar registration. Advocates Gadi.
04, huh?
03.
Or 03.
03 is Indranagar.
Yeah, correct.
Hectic, man. We're now walking to commercials, bruv. Hectic crowd. Where are we, chef? Shivaji Nagar, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 30-minute walk. It's okay, we're getting our steps. Dinner, no scene, no?
No.
No
Not
chance.
hungry, bro.
Yeah, no chance. We've eaten a lot. And very late also. Hectic weekend crowd here, man. Anna?
Yeah, I mean, it's Shivaji Nagar.
We've almost reached commercial actually. Bobbies, we've reached the Opal. That's where Shefali brought her tulip skirt from. Now we need to pick up the alteration piece. So we went to the boutique and Shefali tried on her tulip skirt. Now the top fit her well. The alteration for the top was perfect, but the skirt itself needed another stitch. So we've given it again and they said we can come pick it up tomorrow. 1 inch no, you're getting altered.
Yeah, 1.5 inch skirt and top also lifted.
Top also?
Yeah, the straps.
Okay, so she's given for second fitting. Once it's done, we'll pick it up tomorrow. And I believe tomorrow we can finish my wedding shopping
Hopefully, yes.
if we try hard enough.
Yes.
Tomorrow we need to buy what? A tuxedo, a Jodhpuri suit, and one South Indian outfit.
Adit was right.
Yeah, Adit was right. If you put in some time and effort, you can finish it in a day. It did cost me a lot. I don't even want to talk about how much the entire bill was today, but it was quite a bit. Now we're walking towards MG Road. Alright, Bobbies, say bye to Chef.
Bye.
We're sending her home. Might meet her tomorrow as well.
Might?
Yeah,
Might?
I'm a little tired, bro. I want like a break. I just want to be at home for a day.
Might?
Yeah, might. Why? Sunday means for Chef, huh?
Definitely, yes.
Okay, fine. Chalo.
Okay, bye.